Hi everyone and welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike. Today we have our Temuy unboxing. Yes, very exciting. So yeah, I thought I'd do this today. So we'll get into this and see what we've got in here. I've just left my scissors in the other room. I seriously need to get like a pair for in here because every time I come in this room I've left something, always, like every time. But in here we have 3 colourful paintings, people, and one of them I'm super excited about, so I'm so excited. Right, I can't resist the urge anymore. I'm going to have to show you this. I don't know whether I got this before, but this is a very colourful crocodile, and I think I remember ordering it, but it was taking forever to ship because it was pre-order and I cancelled. So I've been eagerly awaiting for this because I saw this pop up and it looks ever so colourful, and I thought, I like that. So let's see what we've got. They only had the 20x20 again. I'm trying to get bigger sizes of these because look at that. Isn't that got so much colour? Wow. Oh, that is nice. It looks like he's got this ginormous jaw going on here. 15 colours, and it's just like as if it's breaking out the wall sort of thing. As you can see up there, he's just like smashed his head through the wall and you know, going, here's Johnny. You so need to watch that film. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. So many colours in here, and I think it's going to really pop. So the stick is super strong. Wow, wow, wow. And I mean, even down to the detail of his teeth here. This is going to be beautiful. What a lovely, lovely photo. And if I can get, say, like a 30x30, I will, because, yeah, absolutely loving this. And, of course, it comes with our beautiful Ziploc. Well, they're not Ziploc, but it's sort of like a lock bag, if you like. These are the best ones because I just love them when they come in these big bags. You don't have to sit there like cutting all the bags open. You can just pop them open. As always, I'm not going to get them out because they're all singly individual, and with these, because they don't print, they just print the numbers. So if you lose that bag, you're going to be like, well, what painting does this go to? So yeah, I don't open them unless I'm kitting it up. But yeah, I'm over the moon with that. Absolutely gorgeous. And of course we have our standard boat pay. Sorry, I need to slow down. I'm that excited about showing you. I need to slow down. We got our green tray with the wax and a pen. So that is number 1. Lovely jubbly. Okay, moving on to the next one here now. We have a wintry one that's been on the wish list for quite some time. Actually, it's the basket, not the wish list, because we don't have a wish list on Temuy at the moment, which I think they need to bring out. Inside here we have, sorry, the package also just fell on the floor. We have this beautiful one here. Look at this, it's so cute. It is a little donkey with a lovely little cat there, and he's like, the cat's snuggling in because perhaps it's a really cold day, and they're just at the fence and got all the snow round and stuff. It was a really nice wintry one, and as you can see up there, it looks really, really lovely. Can't wait to get these. A lot of these pictures will come in like 20x20, 30x30, and sometimes occasionally a 40x50. So what I'm thinking of doing is like starting off a small one, then go a bit bigger, then go a bit bigger, just to get the collection. But yeah, this is just super cute, isn't it? It's so cute. I just love the fact that, you know, they're just, it looks like they're best friends and, you know, keeping each other company and stuff. But just the way the cat's sort of snuggling in, as you can see up there, because it's so cold. So yeah, absolutely beautiful. Let's take a look at the stick. We've got 12 colours on the Shemetic. Yeah, the perfect stick there. Absolutely gorgeous. We have ourselves our standard trade pen and wax, and these are our drills. So let's take a look at the drills. Best bit about unboxing is chucking all the cellophane bags away. And inside here, your classic 3865 there. You've got a light blue and a brown and a sort of peachy colour. Very sort of coffee look of colour. We've got a mauvey sort of colour there. We have ourselves a orange and a grey, an orange, a brown, and a grey as well. Absolutely lovely. So that is that one. And last but not least, this is funky. I think Crazy Louise Borges will like this because she has a parrot called oh my god. I just nearly got to say rabbit. Like, what the hell? She has a parrot called Rio, and you sometimes see her, like, if she's doing like you know, like the cross stitch and stuff, sometimes she'll come over on the mat. But it reminded me, as soon as I saw these, I thought, oh, of Crazy Louise Borges. And in here, this is so funky. Hannah might like this as well because she's been doing some birds lately. And inside here we have, look at these, so cute. I've been watching Hannah's channel and she's done so many colourful birds. It really made me want to get some birds. So we have done a bird theme before on the channel, so I thought we could you know, get some more birds in. And as of yet, as I say, I don't know when the bird theme will be back, but this you could not say no to. It's so colourful, isn't it? Very sort of pastel vibe as well. 15 colours, as you can see up there. That's what it will look like. Absolutely, it's just got so much pop of colour on it, and very pastel as well. It's just going to be absolutely beautiful once done. I think these might be lovebirds because they're not actually a bird that I'm familiar with in the UK, so they could be lovebirds. The parakeets tend to be quite pretty. You often get them at zoos because people go around with the little pots and they'll land on you and then they'll drink out the pot. But yeah, that is absolutely gorgeous. And what's really nice is you've got this lovely sort of bed of flowers going around, also up the top here with like a lovely cherry blossom tree up there. This is absolutely stunning. I absolutely love this. Beautiful design. We've got a boat, a pink pen, tray and wax, and we've also got ourselves in here, we have ourselves the big long train of jewels. We've got this beautiful red here. What colour is that? Number 1 is that? Yeah, so that's a 326. Wow, very nice colour. We've got a banana colour and a pinky colour. That's 760, a brown, and we've got ourselves sort of peachy pink there, blue, a pink. Oh yes, a very nice, beautiful green. I think that's a 964. Yep, 964. We've got a green, and we've got ourselves a very interesting colour, 3023 there. Beautiful pink there, 3689. We've got a very sharp, lovely red going on there, 3801 with a 3819 V limey green colour, a pink and also a brown. So that is my latest Temu haul. Let us know what you like. Is it the 2 birds? Is it going to be this lovely donkey and the cat? Or is it this beautiful absolute gorgeous crocodile? I think I've got the unboxing of colour in this one. But anyway, if you like what you see, the links are in the description of the video. Really happy with the service provided by InPost. They're so fast. I mean, I sent Tessa a parcel the other day and oh my god, like it was there. Like I did it on the Friday and it was there on the Sunday ready for pickup. It is just so much better than you know, Raw Mail and Every, but absolutely fantastic. So yeah, if you want to get these, the links are in the description of the video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, tapping that bell to be notified of future uploads on the channel, and I will see you next time for another Temu unboxing, because we've always got more on the van coming over. You know, we can't, it's so addictive, you can't stay off the app. You just got to keep ordering and ordering. So you just have to have it, guys. But anyway, take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.